Hey guys, this is Mama Made. This is my giant Chobani haul for the week of September the 13th through the 19th, 2019. I do shop at Giant. A lot of times we do have the same deals as Stop and Shop and Martin's, but you need to just double check your own ads and prices in store because sometimes things differ. Sometimes we have deals one week, then you guys have the next week, or sometimes we have the same deals, but they're at different price points. So always just make sure you check your own area. Even Giant to Giant will vary. Breakdown will be in the description box below, and let's go ahead and get started. I did just want to let you guys know that some of these deals are because there's an Ibotta bonus. I had one where it was, what was it, 12 rebates, get back $10. And then there's a Weekend Warrior bonus, do 8 rebates, get back $1. And then I also it's a September pick your own rebate, which was kind of neat. So I went ahead and did the do 10 rebates, get back $3. So I was pretty much doing a lot of these deals, excuse me, for the Ibotta rebates. I'm not feeling the best, so hopefully we can get through this video without coughing or sneezing or whatever. Alrighty. Let's go ahead and get started here. The International Delight. I didn't have any coupons, but I did just want to treat us to a little treat. It's on sale for $2.99. I think regular price is $3.99, and it's like $3 something at Walmart. So I went ahead and just picked that up. Dunkin' Donuts, I think you pay $2 for a medium iced coffee, and that's definitely more than just a medium, so I thought I would go ahead and just treat us to that. Okay, the Axe is $3.99. There's a $1.50 load to card and then $1 back on Ibotta, making that $1.49. My mom will get that from me for my dad. And yeah, I was working towards that Ibotta bonus. There's also some kind of a fetch rebate when you buy 3 different varieties of Axe. I have been seeing some people posting on Instagram that a certain Axe variety is on clearance. So I think they were Stop and Shop shoppers though. So if you have Stop and Shop, look for your clearance. I couldn't find any Axe clearance at my store, so I don't know if it's just Stop and Shop that's clearancing, or if they just didn't put it on clearance yet, or maybe it's already gone. I'm not sure. Okay, the Gogo Squeeze. This was another Ibotta rebate. So they're on sale for $2.50. Now my stores were tagged for the applesauce and the fruit and veggie, but the yogurts were like $3.79, and they didn't have a store tag up. I wasn't going to buy them, and I was like, yeah, I need to try to get that Ibotta bonus. So they ended up both ringing up for $2.50, which is great. So Ibotta's giving back 75 cents on the yogurt and then 50 cents on the fruit and veggies or the fruit. So that was $1.75 for the yogurt and $2 for the veggie. So with the Ibotta bonus, that's definitely something my daughter will eat, something great to have for her. The Chobani is $1. I had a 50-cent coupon that they mailed me. I need to contact them and try to get some more coupons from them because I pretty much either Giant or Wise has Chobani for $1 pretty much every week. Sorry guys, I'm shaking. I can really tell on the camera. I was very sick yesterday, so I guess I'm still trying to get back to normal. But anyway, the coupon doubled, making it completely free. The Hood Cottage Cheese is $2. I wanted to go ahead and show you guys. I found a bunch of tearpads at my store. So we have this 55-cent. This one doesn't double. We get this one every so often. I went ahead and grabbed a few of each of these. I did just want to show you guys this. So I went ahead and used that. It made it $1.45 because it doesn't double. But it's something I need to hold over until I go to Walmart and Aldi on Tuesday. And then look for this 50-cent coupon. I'm trying to think, does it double? It doesn't say it doesn't double, so I guess you could use these. I had load to card coupons for my deals today, but you could, if you don't have the load to cards, this would actually probably be a better deal for you. But I went ahead and grabbed these. They're good until mid-October, so hopefully the deal comes around again. And then the Almond Breeze, it's $1 off of one. I think I already have these because I contacted Blue Diamond. But just look out for those. They're actually, instead of sticking the coupons on the glass now, they kind of rearranged my refrigerator section, and they actually stick the coupons inside the glass doors. So I don't know if they're making it harder to spot them, but I was thankful to at least find those because a lot of times somebody completely rips off the whole tearpad and I can't ever get any. Okay. So here is another deal. Now, I did these in 2 separate transactions. It's supposed to be 99 cents. I think it's a limit of 4. I don't think you have to buy 4, but I went ahead and did so because these are products that we will use. So the first transaction, I picked up 3 of these. I didn't have any coupons on them, but that's a great deal for something for my husband to have, I almost said for after school snack, for in his lunchbox for a snack or whatever. So no coupons for those. And then the Pop-Tart cereal was 70 cents. I don't even remember where I got that coupon. I don't think it's available to print any longer, but it did double for me. It might have been on Kellogg's Family Rewards. So anyway, I got a little 40-cent money maker for that. And then the Pop-Tarts ended up being completely free for me. So 99 cents. And like I said, you must do them separately. It's a limit of 4, I'm pretty sure is what the ad says. So Ibotta has 50-cent rebates on any Pop-Tarts. So I went ahead and submitted that 4 times. $1 off 3 any Pop-Tarts from the retail menu at $7.28. And then I went ahead and redeemed some of my points for $1 off any 1 Pop-Tart coupon. So that made that a little 4-cent moneymaker for me. And then also, if you haven't been submitting your receipts for Kellogg's, you need to do so. I think it ends the end of this month for the, I think it's called Feeding Reading Program or something like that. Anyway, you get free books. If you don't have kids, save them for donations or nieces and nephews or grandkids, whatever. I mean, they're really nice, decent books. They even have board books for babies, so you could always order those and save them for baby showers. Always try to just think ahead, think of possible gift ideas. That's what I'm always doing. So anyway, this will probably max out my books, but if you haven't submitted your receipts, go ahead and do so. Okay, so this is the giant freebie of the week. I think there was also another barbacoa. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but some other type. But I went ahead and got these. I've never tried these. If you've ever tried these, let me know if they're good. I don't want to waste a bunch of meat and then ruin it with seasoning. So I don't know. Now I did use 2 separate cards for this because I bought a pizza on a separate transaction on my husband's card. I don't usually do a whole lot of spending on that card, but I went ahead and did this since I was going to do 2 separate transactions anyway. So those were completely free. I think Stop and Shop has some kind of, what do you guys have this week? A prebiotic chewy fruit or something like that. I'm not even sure what it's called, but I saw some people posting on it on Instagram. And I didn't do a freebie video for you guys this morning. I wasn't feeling well. I wasn't even sure if I was going to head out to Giant. But I always post things like that on Instagram. So if you want to follow me over there, my handle is down below. You can go ahead and do so. So the Frescetta was $3.99. I had a $1 load to card coupon on each of my cards. So that made those $2.99. Nice, easy, quick dinner. Cheap. So went ahead and picked that up. I found this meat, and I always look in the meat department. I don't think the meat deals are that great this week. So I was hoping to find a good deal on the just any random meat. And I happened to find this. This is over 2 pounds of meat. And I paid $5.36 for it, so $2.50 a pound for a round steak. That's a really great idea, or really great deal. And I do have a dinner idea for you guys. If you've never seen my, I think it's called round steak and gravy in a crock pot. You guys, that is amazing. We love that. It's one of our favorite meals. A good friend of mine gave me that recipe, and I did a video on it. It's so good. I will try to link that down below if you want to check that out after this video. All right, let's go ahead and just finish this deal, finish these deals here. So I went ahead and did all of these deals because they all bought a rebate. The Greek Gods yogurt, which we've never tried, I'm hoping my daughter likes it, hits $4.49, and then I had a $1 load to card, $1.30 on Ibotta. So they made that $2.19, and like I said, with the Ibotta bonuses that I was getting back, it ended up being a really good deal, if not free, for everything that I purchased. The Icelandic, which I really love this yogurt. If you put it in the freezer for like an hour and shake it like every 15 minutes, it's like eating ice cream. It is so delicious. Anyway, it's on sale for $1.25. We have a 2 off 3 load to card and then $1 off 3 on Ibotta. So it makes that 75 cents or 25 cents a piece. Again, counting towards Ibotta. And then this silk wasn't on sale. It's $1.69. We have a 75-cent load to card as well as a 55-cent, and maybe you can find 50-cent tearpad coupons. Then Ibotta has 50 cents off of 2, so it's $1.58, which is a little high for yogurt. But like I said, I was trying to get the Ibotta bonuses. So that is everything that I did. I have to look and see what kind of deals come up on Sunday. I have not even checked the drugstores, but I might be stopping back at Giant. It just depends, to pick up more of the Pop-Tarts or something else, maybe to finish off the Ibotta bonus. I gotta check and see. I think I need to. Oh no, wait. No, I did earn that Ibotta bonus. For some reason, it gave me $1 back on Hatfield. I have no idea what it attached to. I don't know. I can't figure it out. So Ibotta gave me an extra $1 bonus. So whatever it attached to, I have no idea. But maybe it attached to this because it said pork. I don't know. But Ibotta gave me an extra $1. So I ended up getting that $10 rebate. But I might want to finish that $3 back when you spend 10. So, all right, guys, that is it for now. And I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.